Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your RetailMeNot app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go down, click on account down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click on settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Click on notification categories here. Then you come to next step here. Come to enable details here. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. As mean enable details disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.